about how can you select font style on your app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it. So when you just click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do, so you just click on settings here, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do, you just go down here. So then you come here to font size, you just click on it here. Sorry, you click here on font size here. So then here can you select here your font size in this list. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.